There was once a boy named Raoul who lived in a small town. Raoul was like many others, ordinary, quiet, and often ignored by everyone. In school, he was never the topper. On the playground, he was never chosen first for the team. In life, he felt invisible. But what made things worse was not that others ignored him, it was that he ignored himself. Raoul had no confidence. Whenever an opportunity came, his first thought was, "I can't do this. I'm not good enough." One day, his school announced a speech competition. The winner would get the chance to represent the school at the district level. His best friend said, "Rahul, you should try. You speak well." But Rahul shook his head. "No way. I'll forget my lines. Everyone will laugh at me." That night, Rahul sat alone under the dim light of his small study lamp. He looked at the competition poster again. For the first time, he asked himself, "What if I actually try? What if I believe just once that I can do it?" That tiny spark of self-confidence was the turning point. He decided, "I will not let fear win." The next few days, Rahul prepared. He stood in front of a mirror, practicing his lines. He stumbled, he forgot, but he kept going. He stood on the rooftop and spoke loudly to the stars. Every time doubt whispered, "You can't do this," he answered, "Yes, I can." Finally, the day arrived. The school auditorium was full. Hundreds of eyes stared at him as he stepped onto the stage. His legs trembled, his hand shook, his heart raced. For a second, he almost turned back. But then he remembered his nights of practice, the hours of effort, the voice inside him that said, "Believe in yourself." He took a deep breath and started. At first, his voice was soft, uncertain. A few giggles came from the back rows, but Rahul didn't stop. With every line, his confidence grew stronger. His voice became louder, clearer, filled with passion. Soon, the audience wasn't laughing. They were listening. When he finished, the hall was silent for a moment. Then it erupted in applause. Rahul had done it. He didn't just deliver a speech, he delivered a message that confidence is not about never being afraid, it's about standing tall even when you are afraid. Rahul won that day, but the bigger victory wasn't the trophy. It was the moment he realized the world believes in you only after you believe in yourself. From that day on, Rahul stopped doubting. He began participating in debates, sports, and even started helping others who lacked confidence. His life transformed, not because he suddenly became the best, but because he chose to believe in his own worth. The lesson. My friends, this is the power of self-confidence. You see, confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Without it, even the most talented person will remain unseen. With it, even the ordinary can achieve the extraordinary. So the next time fear tells you you can't do it, stand tall and answer back, "Watch me." Because your dreams are waiting, your opportunities are waiting. And all they ask from you is one thing: the courage to believe in yourself. That's the story of Rahul, the boy who discovered the power of self-confidence, and in doing so, discovered himself.